stay on Fun with Squids! And I'm Emma. In this video, I turned 9 years old and I had it at my local animal shelter. But instead of getting gifts, I told people to give donations. People brought toys, dog food, and many more. In fact, they said we brought the most donations in a group. My 9th birthday party, and if you didn't know, I was writing a book to teach kids about rescuing animals. If you want to learn more about it, go to fantastictales.com. Enjoy watching my 9th birthday party!
A year and a half ago I got this job here working in education and outreach department. So my main focus is humane education, which is teaching kids safety around animals, reading animal body language and stuff like that.
Excited? Oh, here we go.
All right. Are we ready?
Yeah.
Cool. Does anybody have any idea how many animals we take care of here? Anybody want to guess?
I want to guess over 1,000.
We have more than 50 animals in our care right now. Thousands is close.
Thousands.
We take care of about 3,000 animals a year.
Wow.
Mostly dogs and cats. But also we get some rabbits and guinea pigs and rats and all kinds of stuff, hamsters. So a quick reminder, we don't want to stick our fingers in any kennels. Also, if you're in front of a kennel and a dog is barking at you a lot, we ask that you just move out of the way.
You having fun? This is the place you like to be, huh?
Aww, smile.
Ready to move on?
Alright, let's go, guys.
Emma.
3. We're going to do 3 at a time. About a mile of trail that goes around the shelter that they go on walks on, and we try to get most dogs out for 2 walks a day. So we do what we can to get them lots of exercise and sort of enrich their lives.
Are we ready to sing happy birthday?
Yeah.
Happy
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Emma. Happy birthday to you. Yeah, blow them out, Em. Blow them out, Emma.
It's even singing a song.
I know, I heard it as soon as it opened.
8 candles though.
Well, there's a big one in the middle. Yeah.
I've never had that cool of a candle in my life. I don't know if I've ever seen that cool of a candle in my life.
Yeah. We say puppy. Now everybody dab. Dab.
Oh yeah. Thanks. Will you tell me about this stuff that you did real quick, Em? Do you mind doing that? Because that way we can bring let people know about. Okay. So why don't you tell me real quick what you did? What is it? Okay, and that goes to help out the animals? And you asked for donations on your birthday? That's very cool. So how much of it did you bring? Like all that pile and then some to the right? Very cool. Such a good idea. What did we just do?
We went to Greenhill for my birthday party.
What is Greenhill?
It's a shelter.
And what do they do there?
They help animals that people had to give to Greenhill. And we had a birthday here.
So where they couldn't keep them. And do you know where the animals usually come from? Do you have any ideas on that?
Like a home.
They come in homes and people who just can't take care of them and stuff like that?
Yes, and I know somewhere that might send the animals to Greenhill.
Who?
I don't remember what it's called, but I think I remember a place that does.
Well, that's so cool, and it's so neat. And why do you believe that, because you can get animals from here, right? They don't just take animals, you can get them?
Yeah.
And what do they call that when you get an animal from a place?
Adopt.
You adopt them. And why do you think that adopting is so good?
Because you get this, because these dogs have been in homes before.
Yeah.
And they need another home.
Totally. And it's kind of like saving their life, huh? Possibly, yeah. And you guys adopted your dog as well, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's super cool. Nala. So today's your birthday, and you decided to do your birthday here. And what did you ask people to bring?
Donations?
You asked them to bring donations here instead of presents, huh?
Yeah.
That is super cool. And we'll show some of the donations that you brought. I mean, it's a ton of stuff. The guy said that you guys brought more donations than any other party. Can you believe that? Isn't that crazy? So I think it's super cool, and I think it's really neat. Do you have anything you want to tell people about adopting or about about places like this at all, or maybe they could go and visit, because there's places like this all over the United States. Maybe they could go and visit, and like the gentleman that was telling us in there, I didn't realize that you could come to a place like this and go pet the cats and pet the dogs and stuff like that. And even if they wanted to do that, that's a pretty cool thing too, huh? So, awesome. All right, well, happy birthday. And if you don't have anything else, I think we'll just cut this one off.
Bye.
Bye.
I hope you liked the video. I'm super excited that I'm making this book. And not only does it teach kids about rescue animals, every book I sell, I'm going to give a portion of it to rescue animals. And like, comment, and subscribe!